Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you set up your controller for Warzone Mobile. First, connect your favorite controller, like a PlayStation DualSense or Xbox wireless controller, to your mobile device using Bluetooth. Make sure it is fully charged for uninterrupted play. Then, launch Warzone Mobile, head into the settings, and find the controller tab. Here, you can begin to see and adjust your control scheme. Now, let's optimize your controller layout. You can remap buttons to better fit your hands and playstyle, perhaps moving jump to a bumper for easier movement. Experiment with aiming and movement sensitivity. A lower setting might offer more precision, while a higher one allows quicker turns. Decide if aim assist helps your shots. Remember to save your personalized profile for consistent performance across all your matches. To truly enhance your gameplay, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the training grounds to get a feel for your new controller settings and improve your aim. Always use the ping system to communicate enemy locations or loot with your teammates. Clear communication is vital. Master quick weapon and equipment swaps, and always maintain strong map awareness. Strategic positioning can often win you gunfights before they even begin. Ready to master advanced controller techniques? Practice movement mechanics like slide canceling and jump shots to gain an edge in engagements. Effectively deploy tactical equipment, such as stun grenades to disorient foes or smoke grenades for cover, to control the battlefield. Dedicate time to improving your recoil control for different weapons, ensuring your shots land where you intend. Finally, coordinate closely with your squad for powerful pushes and objective captures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.